My job is rewarding in a lot of different ways, but what I love most about it is that I can bring science and technology and community together to help our community adapt to climate change and our changing coastal ecosystem. I'm out on the water taking water measurement depths or salinity measurements, investigating different project sites or coming up with new solutions for coastal restoration. I'm always going to community meetings, working with other state agencies, federal agencies, and community partners. So a lot of collaboration and a lot of reading and research, because I'm always trying to learn more and to also help equip the community with the scientific understanding about why all these things are happening, why we do the work that we do, and how we can all work together to adapt to the changes that we're seeing.